guys. So today I'm going to give you some job hunting and interview tips. Well, there are two types of interviews: internal recruitment interviews and external interviews. When it comes to internal interviews, you are representing yourself to a panel who probably know about you. But when it comes to external interviews, it's very challenging because you have to perform well and portray yourself to a set of people who don't even know you in the short period of time that you have been given. So it's very challenging. That's why you have to prepare in advance. Well, before applying itself, you should make sure to apply for jobs that you like, because you are spending most part of your day at work. So why working somewhere that you don't like? So before applying itself, do a research, search about the company, talk with the people who are already working there. Make sure to apply for jobs you like, and also search about the company's culture as well, whether that culture suits you. So when applying, make sure to apply for jobs you like and apply as many as possible, because as you know, many people are applying for jobs. So getting a call for an interview itself is a challenge. So apply as much as possible for jobs that you like. Even Steve Jobs once said that if you don't have a passion, it's hard. Even any rational person would give up. So make sure to apply for the right jobs. So if you have got a call for an interview, congratulations, because not many people get that chance. So before going for the interview, you have to do some research. Search about the company, because they can ask some questions. So search about the company in the internet, ask from people, get to know about your job role as well. So do a small preparation. And also the outfit is really important, because as I said earlier, you are presenting for a set of people who don't even know you. So outfit is really important for a first impression. And also there are some common interview questions. For those you can prepare in advance. Questions like, tell about yourself, why should we hire you, what are the areas that you are good at, what are the value additions that you can give to our company. For such questions, you can prepare in advance. And also practice well. Sometimes in some job interviews, they will ask you to do a presentation from a selected topic. They will give you set of topics in advance, and you will be asked to do a presentation during the interview. In such cases, you can do that presentation well by preparing. And also don't memorize the presentation, because in between they can disturb and ask you questions. So just don't memorize the presentation. Be yourself and present what you know. Be confident. Interviews are all about selling yourself. If you prepare in advance, you can do a good job there. And also during the interview, don't be hesitate to ask questions and get clarified certain things. Questions like about your job role, your salary scale. Likewise, you can clear doubts. Don't just sit and wait after the interview until they get back to you, because some companies don't notify the rejected participants. So apply for jobs as much as possible. Apply for the jobs that you like. And also, don't underestimate yourself if you get rejected from an interview, because that doesn't mean that you are not good enough. Sometimes, getting rejected can be also a luck. It can lead you to better opportunities. So just don't underestimate yourself or put yourself so down. Reasons for getting rejected can be a sort of discrimination, or as it can be, I mean, even though they have called you for an interview, they could have like selected someone else prior to interviews. And also sometimes I have seen that job advertising, some companies use that as a marketing tool. So getting rejected from an interview doesn't always mean that you are not good enough. So always practice, be prepared, and get ready for the next interview. And don't settle until you find the right job for you. Okay guys, hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.